If you put all your time into the hours that pay you the most, then you will be able to work less and make more. That's the name of my book, and it's exactly what I want you to do. And I mean it. You can work less while earning more. The whole book is built around a concept which I call effective hourly rate. It's a way of calculating how much each hour of your day is worth to you. It's simply a calculation of the amount of profit you make per month divided by how many hours you work to get it. For example, if you made $10,000 profit, that's revenue less expenses, then you worked 100 hours in that month, then your effective hourly rate is $100 per hour. In the book, I explain how you can work out which of those hours is making you the most money, and then we cut out the rest. We either don't do it at all, or we find other people to help us with that. So grab a copy of Work Less, Make More. It's absolutely free for the digital version. Right where you see this video, there'll be a link nearby. I'm James Schramko, and I hope you can work less, make more.